Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 687 named longest univalue path. In this problem, we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to return the length of the longest path, where each node in the path has the same value. This path may or may not pass through the root, and the length of the path between two nodes is represented by a number of edges between them. So here, let's understand the first example. The root is 5, which has two children, 4 and 5. 4 has two children, 1 and 1, and 5 has one children, 1. Sorry, 5. So here we can see that in this path, 5, 5 and 5, all of the value are same. And the number of edges between them is 2. One is this, another is this. So we have to return 2. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the same example and we will try to solve this by using the depth first search. And here, inside the DFS, we have to check the parent node value of each of the root. Suppose our DFS currently presented here. So we have to check or compare the current node value with its parent value. And if they are equal, that means we have to take this path as one of the consideration. So this is the first intuition. For each of the DFS call, we need the parent value. Okay. Initially, our call starts from the root 5. From 5, we will get to the 4. So here, does 4 is equal to 5? No. From 4, we will get to the node 1. And from 1, we will get to its left children. But its left children is null. So it will return the value 0. And similarly, its right children will return the value 0. Now, the value 1 will return the value 0 because its root value 4 is not equal to its value 1. And here, the answer will be 0. Now we are at this node 4. From 4, we will get back to 1. And the left and right children of 1 will return the value 0. And 1 will return the value 0 again. Because this value 1 is not equal to this value 4. And the value 4 is getting the value 0 and 0 from the left and right children. And this value 5 is not equal to this value 4. So the value 4 will return again the value 0. And here answer will be again 0. This answer is basically calculated by the maximum of initial answer, which is 0, and left children value plus right children value. So here for this node, answer is 0, its left children value is 0, its right children value is 0, so it will return the value 0. Okay. Now, from 5, we will get to its children 5. From 5, we will get to its children 5. And the left and right children of 5 will return the value 0. But for this node 5, this 5 is exactly equal to its parent value, which is 5. So, here, the answer will be maximum of 0 and left and right children, which is 0. That means 0. And it will return the value 1 plus maximum of left and right value, which is 0 and 0. That means it will return the value 1. So what basically this one means? This one basically means that for this node, there are one edge between this node and its parent, and the path is equal to 1. So here, it is returning the value 1. For this node 5, we have seen that this 5 is exactly equal to its parent. So here, for these 5, its its left children will return the value 0. Now here, the answer will be, initially the answer will be 0, which is this, and the maximum of left plus right, which is 1. So the answer will be here 1. That means for this path, there are 1 edge between the similar value node. And these 5 will return the value 1 plus maximum of left and right. That means 1 plus maximum of left and right will be maximum of 0 and 1. That means 1. That means it will return the value 2. So far, the answer is 1, and it's returning the value 2, and it's returning the value 0. So for this node 5, the answer will be maximum of current answer, which is 1, and its left children value 0, plus its right children value, which is 2. So here the answer will be 2, and it will return the value, and we will stop the iteration. So here, so far after completing the iteration, we have found that our answer is 2, and we have calculated this algorithm by using the DFS, and for each of the iteration, we have considered its parent value. And if the current node value is equal to parent value, it will return 1 plus maximum of its left and right children value. Otherwise, we are calculating the answer, which is the maximum of answer and its left plus right value. And this is how basically we're gonna solve this problem. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named longest univalue path, which has a root as a parameter. Now we are calling a DFS function with this root and integer main, and initialized answer with 0. And inside the DFS function, if root is null, we have to return 0. Otherwise, we have to recursively call the DFS function into the left subtree and into the right subtree with the root value. Here, this root value is the parent value. Now we have to calculate the answer, which is the maximum of answer and left plus right. And if the parent value is equal to root value, we have to return 1 plus maximum of left and right. Otherwise, we have to return 0. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.